Hey guys, today we are unboxing the Rockstar Premier headset. It gives the best online multiplayer gaming experience. Directly connected to the DualShock 4 wireless controller. The connection process is very easy. Simply plug in the wire of the headset into the DualShock 4 wireless controller. You can adjust it according to the size of your head. The earbuds are very soft, so you can play for many hours. It's a foldable headset, so you can also fold it. So now moving on to the microphone. It has a small button on which you can adjust the volume, like how loud or low you want. And where privacy matters, you can mute it by simply clicking on the mute button.